Ever felt lost in a sea of files on your Google Drive? Keeping your Google Drive tidy on your iPhone doesn't have to be a hassle. With folders, you can separate work, school, and personal files so nothing gets lost. Creating folders is the fastest way to keep everything neat and easy to find. And yes, you can do it right on your iPhone. Here's how to create a brand new folder in the iOS 26 Google Drive app and manage it so you stay fully organized. To start, open the Google Drive or Drive app and make sure you're signed into your Google account. At the bottom of the screen, tap Files. This takes you to the My Drive section where all your documents, photos, and folders are stored. Now, to create a folder, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner. A menu will pop up. From this list, tap Create Folder. Type in a name that helps you recognize the folder later, like Work, School, Photos, or Receipts. Once you're done, tap Create. And just like that, your brand new folder will appear under My Drive. To manage it, tap the three dots next to your folder to bring up the Management menu. From here, you can tap Share to invite specific people or groups, or choose Manage Access to control who can view, comment, or edit the folder. You can also add restrictions by tapping on Restricted under General Access. Choose between Restricted and anyone with the link. This is perfect for group projects or teamwork. To highlight the folder for quick access, tap Add to Starred so they always stay at the top. If you'd rather share with a quick link, tap Copy Link and paste it into an email, message, or note. For personalization, tap Change Color and pick a new folder color. For example, you can assign blue for work, red for urgent files, or green for personal items. Color coding helps you spot what you need instantly. Once you start customizing folders, you'll never go back to scrolling endlessly through random files again. Now let's talk about more options. If you'd like to give your folder a new name, tap Rename, then enter the new name for your folder. To move it somewhere else, or a different drive location, like Shared with Me or Starred, tap Move. For details, tap Details and Activity. Here you'll see who owns the folder, what type it is, and timestamps or a full history of edits or changes. You can also tap Add Shortcut to Drive to place a folder shortcut in another location, making it easier to reach from multiple spots. Finally, if you no longer need the folder, tap Remove from the menu. Don't worry, it doesn't disappear right away. Instead, it goes to the trash, where it stays for 30 days before being permanently deleted. That means you always have a chance to restore it if you change your mind. So there you have it. Creating, customizing, and managing folders in Google Drive on your iPhone is simple, but the impact is huge. You'll spend less time searching and more time actually getting work done. If this guide helps you get organized, don't just stop here. Try setting up folders for different projects right now and see how much smoother your workflow becomes. We hope this guide helps you out. Please share the love by liking the video and subscribing to this channel. Also check out more of our guides to make your iPhone even smarter. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this one.